User groups provide educators easy, convenient ways to structure and organize their students. By default, students are grouped in totality inside the web administrator. So a social studies teacher who only wants to see and interact with students in her 3 classes can create a user group for each of those classes of students, or create a group of all her students, or create all 4 of these groups. User groups also allow administrators to enroll students into courses and placement exams in large groups. Rather than assign an entire roster of students to a class one at a time, our social studies teacher can enroll her entire user group of students into the next semester's class when the time comes. You can also run reports on specific user groups right from the dashboard. This way, our social studies teacher can run reports on each of her individual classes and look at how her students are doing as a whole across all of her classes. Additionally, changes made to any of the parameters inside the Edit Course Options page, such as grade weights, assessment time limits, and start and target dates, can be applied to specific user groups, rather than one student at a time. These are just some of the more common ways that you can employ user groups in your daily instruction. Be sure to think about and plan ahead for other ways user groups can make monitoring your students easier and more effective.